Okay, everyone, floor is done in the office. What I have left to do now is go ahead and put in some baseboard. I went and purchased the baseboard yesterday from the store. Going with, I think it's 5¼ inch in height. The shoe molding as well, or poured around. So yeah, have it all installed. Have it installed underneath the door frame as well. And coming out like another 2 joints, I believe. Have that box right there just over it to protect the edge. But yeah, so what I did, as mentioned before, I went in and cleaned it up just a little bit more to make it not so close to the wall. So I have adequate spacing for expansion, things of that nature. So I don't have to worry about that. So floor's in. Next will be installing some baseboard in the office. Changing out the switches to fresh white switches as well. There were 3 switches there. One didn't control anything, but that is, I believe one was for the light for a fan, and the other one was to turn the fan on and off. I don't think they had a fan in here. I don't quite remember. No, they didn't have a fan in here, as I recall. I don't remember, but so had that option. And then change out the plugs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to new plugs. I installed this one a while back. I'm sorry, this one was already here. I installed the one behind the TV a while back. So what I essentially did was I took a flathead screwdriver. I figured which side the stud was on, and I took the plate off and loosened the actual outlet. Took a flathead screwdriver, figured out which side the outlet was mounted to, pried it off, and undid the wiring. I put a hole right where this new pretty much gang box, or whatever you want to call it, goes in. I dropped the wire down, I put a new box in down here, I put a new box in up there, and I tied both of them in together. What did I install? I installed 12/3 wire, just because I had it. I know typically I only needed 12/2, which is literally a ground, a hot, and a neutral, but I had 12/3, so that extra hot wire, which is 2 hots, a neutral, and a ground, I just capped off the extra hot wire so it's not connected to anything. So yeah, then of course I had the ceiling, and I have to clean off this light or small chandelier as well. Got a little paintbrush. I'll get up there one of these days and clean that off. So yeah, that's what we have. These blinds are going to eventually come out, and we'll probably put in some type of like curtain or something like that, but I'll leave it up to my wife. And then I also have to finish sanding around the door frame itself, prime it, paint it, and then one day when the weather permits, I'll actually, paint the doors, go outside and spray them. So that's all I have for today. Be sure to like and subscribe, share. So yeah, give me some ideas, or give us some ideas in terms of a desk that you all might want to see in this office space as well. She's went through a few designs online, things that she likes. So I'm probably going to end up building that as well. So, drop some ideas down in the comment section. Peace.